So I saw your question. I only see A and B parts here. I'm not sure if you're having trouble with the other parts, but you're given these set of work pairs here, and you want to sketch those, do a scatter diagram, 4, 9, 5, 12, etc. So it goes from 4 to 9 on the x-axis. And so I do see you check this one correct. I mean, this goes from 0 to 10. They're counting by ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And it's a 4 there. And here they're counting by threes. There's 10 tick marks. I already counted them. There's 3, 6, 9, etc. So our first point is 4, 9. So you got to come over here, to 4, and then we're counting by threes. So 1, 2, 3. That would be 4, 9. Our next one's 5, 12. So you got to come over 1 and up 1 would be, that'd be 5, and then that was 9. And so counting by threes, that would be 12. Then you just go through these and it'll match up with these points here. Then you want to find the equation of a line going through these 2 points. I guess that's the first and the last point, in the graph. And so you got to use this formula. We need to find the slope first of all. It's y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Doesn't matter which one you call x sub 1, y sub 1. So I just start with this one, 9 and a 24, and then the 4 and the 9. And slope works out to be 3. Then we want to go to this formula, slope formula, y minus y sub 1 equals m times quantity x minus x sub 1. So again, you can pick out either point. I just pick out the smaller one. You put in 9 for y sub 1 and 4 for x sub 1, then you put in 3 for the slope. I distribute to 3 and I get, the 3x minus 12. I need to add 9 to each side, and then you'll have this answer here. Hope this helps.